In 1912, the world's most advanced ship set sail. They called her unsinkable. But on a cold April night, one mistake changed history forever. This is the true story of the Titanic. The RMS Titanic was 269 meters long and weighed over 46,000 tons. She had 9 decks, 16 watertight compartments, and was powered by one of the most complex ship systems of her time. On board were more than 2,200 people, passengers, crew members, and engineers. Titanic was not just a ship. She was a symbol of human confidence. Deep inside the ship were massive boiler rooms. Coal was burned day and night. The steam powered 2 huge piston engines and a central steam turbine, turning 3 enormous propellers. This system moved the ship forward, but it could not protect her from the ocean. On April 14th, at 11:40 p.m., Titanic struck an iceberg. It was not a head-on crash. The ship scraped along the iceberg's side. There was no explosion. No loud impact, but beneath the waterline, the damage had already been done. Water did not enter through one large hole. Instead, the iceberg caused multiple narrow breaches along the starboard side of the hull. Water began flooding the front compartments, one, then another, then another. Titanic could survive 4 flooded compartments. That night, 6 were flooding at the same time. As water filled the front of the ship, the bow became heavier. Titanic began sinking bow first. Water spilled from one compartment to the next, flowing over the tops of the bulkheads. Once this process started, it could not be stopped. Many passengers did not believe the ship was sinking. Some stayed inside. Others refused to board lifeboats. The crew continued working until the very end. Deep below deck, engineers remained at their posts, keeping the lights on as long as possible. There were not enough lifeboats for everyone. Fear, confusion, and silence filled the night. By 2:20 a.m., the bow disappeared beneath the ocean. The stern rose high into the air. Under extreme stress, the ship broke apart. The front section sank first. The stern followed moments later. Titanic was gone. That night, more than 2,200 people were on board. Over 1,500 men, women, and children lost their lives. Only about 700 survived. Most did not die from the sinking itself, but from the freezing cold of the ocean. Rescue did not arrive immediately. Approximately 4 hours after Titanic sank, the RMS Carpathia reached the scene. Survivors were taken from the lifeboats, given warmth, and saved.
Now, make way for the others.
Here, take this blanket, it's warm.
Today, Titanic rests nearly 3,800 meters below the surface. Time, pressure, and bacteria are slowly destroying the wreck. Scientists believe that within 50 to 100 years, Titanic may disappear completely. Titanic was not just a ship, it was a lesson about pride, technology, and human error. And more than a century later, we are still learning from it. "113 years later, this is what remains of Titanic. Under immense ocean pressure, time, and iron-eating bacteria, the ship is slowly disappearing. So far, scientists have studied approximately 60 to 70% of the wreck. The rest remains under investigation. Titanic is not just a sunken ship. It is an ongoing discovery. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more. In the next video, we'll explore the vanishing of a flight, how an aircraft can disappear without a trace.